All right, so in this video, I'm going to do question number 3 from note 77. It's another word problem, so we're going to approach it pretty much the same way. So let's see what the word problem says. We have 300 people entering a bowling tournament. If the entry fee is $10 each, I was about to read that completely wrong. The number of entries decrease by 20 for each $2 increase in fee. All right, so off to the side, I'm going to go ahead and make myself an equation that is going to figure out the income. That would be the revenue. And remember, we're going to have the money part of it, and then this would be the people part. All right, so it's the number of people who are attending times the entry fee, so the money part. All right, so R of X is equal to, let me get the equal sign in there. So let's talk money. So the original entry fee was $10 per person, and we are going to increase that entry fee $2. But here's the thing. The key word here says for each $2 increase in fee. So maybe I increase it $2. Maybe I increase it $8, right? So that's 4 times I would increase the price. So that's going to be plus 2x. Now the people part of it, we had originally 300 people, all right? And it says the number of entries will decrease by 20 each time I change the entry fee. So we're going to do minus 20x. So every time I change, or however many times I change the entry fee, that I have to change the number of people as well. All right, so a little bit of math here. Let's go ahead and multiply this revenue function out. So let's see what we got here. 10 times 300 is going to be 3,000. And then 10 times negative 20x is going to be negative 200x. 2x times 300 is going to be plus 600x. 2x times negative 20, that's what, negative 40x squared. All right, let me organize it into standard form. So R of x is equal to negative 40x squared plus 400x and then plus 3,000. Okay, so I've got my revenue equation here. So now let's take a look at, all right, everything in question A, I need an entry fee to maximize, how many bowlers to maximize, and what is the actual maximum. So if you did question number 1, this is very similar in terms of getting all of the bits, parts, and pieces. So what entry fee will maximize income? So let's actually figure out what the maximum number of changes needs to be. All right, so for x, we're going to do the x value of the vertex. So that's going to be the opposite of b over 2a. So let's see, that's going to be negative 400 all over 2 times negative 40. So negative 400 over negative 80. Let's double check on a calculator. Negative 400 divided by negative 85. Yep, it's 5. Okay. So that is going to be an x value of 5. So for the first question, I want to know, let's go back to this one, what entry fee will yield the maximum? So we're going to be talking about money here. All right, so we're going to use this 10 plus 2x, and we're going to use x is equal to 5. All right, so let's grab a marker here. 10 plus 2x, but x is 5. So that's going to be 10 plus 10. So what entry fee will be the maximum income? That is going to be a $20 entry fee. And then how many bowlers will there be to maximize income? So that's going to be the people part of our equation here. So 300 minus 20x. So 300 minus 20, but x, remember, is 5. That's what's going to maximize any part of this equation. So that's going to be 300 minus 100. That should be 200 people. All right, so 200, and I'll go ahead and put, I'll be more really specific here. What was it, bowlers? Sure, bowlers. And then last but not least is the what will the maximum income be? Get all the words in the right order there. So we know the entry fee that's going to maximize is $20. We know that the number of bowlers to maximize is 200 bowlers. So if I take that entry fee times that number of bowlers, that would get me my maximum income. And that is $4,000. All right, so there is the end of question number 3, all of its little bits, parts, and pieces. As always, please let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I will see you in the next video.